Yeah, hello guys. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are also old person who normally come to the channel and check it out and you're back, then thank you for coming back. So guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a legit way that you can make money online. So make sure you stay with me from beginning of the video till the end of the video so that you will not miss out any part of it. So all what I'm about to share, a beginner, the person who have never been into that game, can start it as fresh and still make money online. So the only thing that I need from you now is give me your time. Just make sure that you watch the video from beginning till the end so that everything that I will share here, you get everything as it is supposed to be, so that you can now implement the one that you are satisfied with that. So make sure you stay with me from beginning to the end. So the first thing that I will talk about is YouTube, starting a YouTube channel. To make money online, you need to start a YouTube channel. As I'm just doing right now, actually I get commissions out of that but for now this channel is not yet monetized, but I've reached a threshold of getting super stickers and super chat and super thanks. But the channel is not monetized for art and everything, but for now it has reached the threshold of super thanks and super chat. So I get something out of that. And the other things, let's say for YouTube, you can do a lot of things when it comes to having a YouTube channel or creating a YouTube channel. For instance, let's say if you create a YouTube channel, you can get super thanks from fans, super chat, and you can, like when you use a particular product and you are satisfied with that, you can put that particular product link in your, maybe a particular video that you did about that particular product. You can put the link about that particular product there and you get paid out of it if somebody click on that particular link and buy things out of that. So, and more to the point, you get connected to people when you have a, like, you are having a YouTube channel. So if you are a beginner and you are the type who always want to be on camera, then the first thing you just do is make sure you create a YouTube channel, and consistency is the key. Make sure that you upload videos all time on the channel. So if you create a YouTube channel, you just leave it that way, it doesn't put videos on it, trust me, you are not going to get anything out of that. But always try to be consistent. Actually it takes time. You can upload video, you can check my videos. Sometimes I'll get about even 30 views, 20 views, 25, just that way. But has everything gradually it compound to become something big. So don't just start a YouTube channel right now and you want to be getting millions of views. No, it doesn't happen that way. You need to start as a newbie, be getting some small number of views. You can be getting 5 views, 10 views. It doesn't matter. Time will come, you even be getting thousands, millions. So the only thing is just be consistent with it. Make sure that you always upload, maybe if possible you can be uploading 2 videos per week, or if you can upload 1 video every day, then that's fine. And consistency, it compound to become something big. So the second thing that I will talk about is creating a Facebook page. Facebook page. Nowadays, Facebook, some of us, we just take it as a normal place that we just go and chat with our friends and we are good to go. But now the technology has made it in such a way that you can make a lot of money at the same time doing what you want. Let's say on Facebook, you can be like me. I normally say nowadays, you can just use your madness or anything and still make money out of that. Just use any of your personality. It doesn't matter how it is. You can see some people will just be doing something. You yourself, you may think, oh, they are just mad and they are doing something, some nonsense things. But my friend, they are making money out of that. They know what they are doing there. So when you create a Facebook page, the only thing that you need to do, make sure that you always post there to consistently. Always put 2 to 3 posts per day so that it can expand to reach other people, so that the more you get people to join, the more you make money. And when you upload video on it. And Facebook, they pay about like a video of 1 minute long. If a video is about 1 minute long, ad can run on it and you get paid out of that. But you need to have about 10,000 followers on it. You need to have about 10,000 followers on Facebook before you can be able to monetize it. And there is other complement ad to it, so you can do more research about that. I can't stress all on that. And more to the point, you can be getting brand deals, like somebody can sponsor you, like let you post his or her sticker about a particular product on your page for, let's say, 1 week, and you get paid out of that. So you can, depend on your audience and how your page is engaged, you can charge the person according to how your page is strong. If you're having about 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 people, or even 5,000, you can be collecting brand deals. Just make sure you charge a reasonable amount so that people can follow, and make sure that your page is engaging, like a page that people always comment and like the page so much, so that people will know, like if somebody is to advert something on it, the person will be sure that okay, this thing is going to get a lot of people to view it. So make sure you also do that. Actually, I've jotted some things I need to now look because I can't keep everything in my head. So the next thing that I'll talk about is freelancing. Freelancing is what, like, you go and offer your things, like a skill that you are having. Let's say you are a type who know how to design logos or YouTube thumbnails. You just go to Fiverr. There is a website, Fiverr. You go and list your work there. Fiverr, list it, and just when you list it there, make sure that you do search engine optimization, so that if somebody search for something related to your needs, like your niche, your page will pop up and they'll get like they can now see what you're offering. If they are satisfied with that, they can request for maybe for you to do. You can charge for, maybe if that person wanted to do, for you to do it for a month, for that person yearly, or even just once. So you can be charging based on the amount that you do, but you need to cross-check with others to see the amount that they are placing on their own, so that you can also place. But you need to be smart. If they are placing $5 per logo made, you can charge 4.99 or 4.50, just to be, like, your own should be somehow low, so that you can get more people. And when you now get more people and more reviews, you can now increase your own. But at that moment, if somebody see that, oh, you are having a lot of reviews, that means your work is good. The person definitely there, no matter the amount, the person will pay for it, and you do it for the person. Then you can, to even make it better, you can get some people. Let's say if you find somebody who is doing, like, who is having a YouTube channel, and you are the type who is making YouTube thumbnails, you can just get somebody and just do it for the person for some time for free. You can just email the person, please, I've done this work for you. You can check it out. If you like it, you can use it for free. If somebody, like, the person check it out and the person like it, the person will say, okay, thank you for that, and next time the person can pay you to do it, or even take you as full time. You'll be doing it for the person, and the person will be paying you for that. That's what you can do. And at the end, when you now get a lot of reviews, then at that moment you get a lot of customers to just make your money out of that. And the next thing I will talk about is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, like, for this one, I will say, when you are to use the free method, actually it will take you time. When you are to do pay advertisement, then for that one, you may get results within the shortest possible time. But first of all, let me explain affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, like, let's say I have a product, I have something that I'm selling, and I'm saying that, okay, and I give a link that I say that, okay, if you get somebody to come and buy that particular product, we are going to share the profit 50-50. We are going to share the profit 50-50%, or I will take 60% and you will take 40%, or I will take 40% and you take 60% when you are able to bring somebody to buy the thing. That's what it's about, affiliate marketing. So you don't create any product. The only thing is that you try to get people to come and buy the product, or take part in the on the service that the person is providing, and you get your commission out of that. The person will pay you portion of what the person have paid to you. That's what you just need to do. The only thing is just hard work. The only thing is make sure that you find a way of marketing it so that you can get a lot of people to work or to get in, to buy the product or to buy the service, and you make your money and you are good to go. So, and all that involved, maybe you can also do pay advertisement. You get a page that is engaged, and you just pay the person some amount, and the person will post your ad on his page. And when you the page, if somebody click on the ad and go to the site and go through the service or buy the product, you get paid a commission out of that. So the next thing that I'll talk about, and that is the last but not the least, is drop shipping. But by the way, if you are still enjoying the video, please make sure you smash the subscribe button and smash the like button, and don't also forget to turn on post notification bell so that anytime that I upload a new video, you get notified and come to the channel and check it out. So by the way, let's go back to business. Drop shipping is you go to you create your own website. Look for a particular product that is in demand. You create your own website. Just go and copy that particular. It doesn't mean that you should have the product. You can go and copy. Let's say you have a particular, you show a particular web product that is doing well. You can create a website about that particular product or a general store, and just go and pick that a particular product that you see that is doing well. Go and put it copy the links, the details, everything in the store, and put it on your store, and make the amount higher than the place that you are getting, you'll be getting it to ship it to the person that is about to buy. So let's say in AliExpress or Alibaba or Jumai or Amazon, they are selling a particular product of $50. You can go and list it on your website as $60. So when you go and list it on your website as $60 with the product description and everything the same, when you're able to get the customers or people to come and buy it on your website, they will request it on your website. The only thing is they will pay for the product before. If they pay for the product, you take the customer details and go and also put it on. If it is on Amazon, you go and also request on buy it on Amazon. Put the customer details on Amazon website and with the amount and everything. Let's say if Amazon is selling $50 and you are selling $60, you now take your $10 as profit. Go and put the customer details and the price as $50 on Amazon, and Amazon will now ship the product to the customer, and you keep your $10 as profit. The only thing is you are not having the physical product yourself. You also go to some place and get the product and ship it to the customer, and you are making the money. The only thing, the advantage side is that the customer will pay for the product first before you now also select. You now take the amount, go and take your profit and take the remaining, and go and also buy it. Put the customer details and buy it on different store, the place that is cheaper, and make sure and now the website or the company will now ship it to the customer. That's how it goes. And this kind of thing you can be having if you are having a website. And the next thing that I will say you need to have, you can be having a page, like a Facebook page. You can be having a Facebook page so that you can get people to market your product on that, or a YouTube channel as usual. But you can also do pay advertisement and also do search engine optimizations, SEO. So you also do search engine optimization. Make sure that if somebody types something on Google, the person just Google let's say the person can just Google about anything. Let's say oven. You can just Google best oven for 2023 on Google. The person is about to buy, and your product, if you were selling ovens, your product can just pop as first thing, and the person will click on it and if the person satisfied with how the thing appear and the person buy it, then you keep your commission, you take your profit, and now go and put the customer details and ship the company will ship the product to the customer, and you keep your profit. So guys, that's the legit way that I can talk about that you can use to make money online. So if you find the video valuable, the only thing that I will request from you is try to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if possible you can also share this video to friends so that they can also benefit from it. I know a friend will be somewhere and they will be in need of it. Share it to reach other friends, and don't also forget to like the video so that it will rank high in the YouTube algorithm and also get more people to see the video and benefit from it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now. Peace out.